now today we are going to start the very first chapter of your book, that is basic computer organization. All of you are familiar with the basic organization of computer. You have learned about the components of computer, hardware, software, all that. Now in class 11 we are going to learn in detail. So see what are the contents. Contents are introduction. You will learn about the introduction of computer, its computer organization, mobile system organization, types of softwares, and transition from computer calculator to computer. So in this introduction they have just told you about the story, how computers have revolutionized the world around us. They were used to live around 25 to 30 years ago. It is very different from how we live today. Now they have just told you that before 25 to 30 years our life was very difficult without computers, but with the advent of computers our life is too easy nowadays. By sitting at any place we can do our work and we can avail any service. So computer is an electronic device in which we put the instructions, then it processes it and give the meaningful information through output device. So this is the simple definition which you people are familiar. Now see, computers deliver so much diligently and efficiently. Diligently means without getting bored or tired. You people have learned about the characteristics: speed, versatility, diligence, reliability. तो diligently means होता है कि computer is a machine which can do a continuous or a same job for 24 hours without saying no. Efficiently means absolutely correct, accurate, all thanks to the wonderful combination of their hardware and software. So these two are the components of computer: hardware and software. These two components make a machine, that name is computer. So what is hardware? Hardware is the physical electro components of computer are called hardware. Let me tell you, as you are in class 11, what is the difference between electric and electronic. Why computer is known as electronic, not known as electric? Because electronic means होता है the machine which has the capability to make its own decisions, to take its own decisions. If we are talking about electric components, electric devices, they cannot take decision on its own. But nowadays most of the devices and machines are known as electronic because they all are capable to take their own decisions. If we are talking about AC, now it is known as electronic. Why? Because AC also has the capability to sense the temperature of the room and accordingly it maintain its temperature, and there is also the concept of auto cut. So in this way we can say electronic devices are those devices or all the physical components of computer which help us to run the machine, like keyboard, CPU, monitor, printer, etc. Software, it is a set of instructions which helps to work on a computer. But to work on a computer we need hardware. Why they have written softwares, why they have written small programs? Actually आप किसी भी हार्डवेयर को ऐसे रन नहीं कर सकते. If we are talking about mouse, keyboard, monitor, you cannot make it work. तो उसके लिए उन्होंने क्या किया? They have written a small definitions of programs which is known as software, जिनको हम softwares कहते हैं, and these softwares helps the hardware to run. So in this chapter we are going to learn in detail. Now see page number 2, basic computer organization. Now it has, in this diagram you can see, this is the basic organization of computer. Let's read the second para. Computers, as you must be knowing, following the IPO principle. What is IPO cycle? You must have heard about IPO cycle. That is the basic principle of computer on which it works. Means computer works in IPO cycle: input, process, output. You know very well, when we work on computers, first we put the instructions. Input means we put the instructions with the help of input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. then it processes it. Process means होता है conversion of input into output, because as you type first it go to the processing unit. Processing unit converts that input into output and display on the output device. And output device, what it does, it displays the information in meaningful form, and it can be either in the form of soft copy and hard copy. Soft copy means when you are when it displays the information on the screen, that is called soft copy, and when you are taking its print out on a paper, that is called hard copy. So a certain input is so processes to generate specific output. Means when we are working on computer, it's not like that कि पहले output होगा फिर processing. No, it will be in sequence only. First input, then process, and then output. So this is called IPO cycle. Now see this basic computer organization. You can see here there are 4 units: input unit, output unit, storage unit, जिसको हम memory unit भी कहते हैं, and CPU. So if you see this basic structure, let me tell you how it works. Input unit, as you know, first we will put the instructions through any input device, then it will go to the CPU. This is your CPU, which consists of 3 units: arithmetical logical unit, registers, and control. Then it goes to memory. Okay, memory में क्यों जाता है? Because this memory helps it to store it for future use or for a temporary use. इनपुट आप जब करते हो तो वो पहले मेमोरी यूनिट में जाता है फॉर टेम्परेरी बेसिस, देन इट गोज टू CPU. आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग अगेन इट कम्स टू द मेमोरी एंड स्टोर इट फॉर फ्यूचर यूज. Then it goes to output unit. If you are demanding for the output, it displays through output unit. So in this way, this is the basic organization of computer. Now see input unit. We are going to discuss the functional units of computer. There are 4 functional components of computer: input, output, CPU, and memory. So we will discuss one by one these 4. Input unit. What is input unit? Which help us to put the instructions into the computer through input devices, and all the input devices are attached to the CPU. Examples like keyboard, mouse, and all the input devices have their own use. It depends on the type of instructions which you are going to give. If you want to type, you will use keyboard. If you want to select or click, you will go for mouse. MICR help us to detect the bank checks. Optical mark reader help us to detect the type of mark or pattern. Optical character reader help us to read the characters only. And joystick, it is used in video parlors where we can play games. So for the different types of inputs, we need different types of input devices. It is responsible for taking input and converting, and you know computer understands only binary code, that is 0 and 1. So it helps us to convert into binary code. Since a computer operates on electricity, it can understand only the language of electricity. What do you mean by on and off? You people must have heard computer understands only machine language, because computer is a machine, so naturally it will understand only electronic signals. Electronic signals को हमने क्या एक नाम दे दिया 1 and 0. So 1 means on, means first time signal will pass, and 0 means off, other time signal will not pass. Actually it does not understand 1 and 0, पर हम इसको एक 1 और 0 की तरह consider करते हैं. So 1 means on, signal will pass, and next time signal will not pass, which will be considered as 0. Now they have taken one example. See, add 2 and 3. This is input. Suppose you want to add 2 numbers. They have taken 2 numbers 2 and 3. तो ये input हो गया. What is data? Data is a collection of raw and facts. 2 have taken 2 numbers. Instruction क्या दिया आपने? Add. In the same way, now if you want to print hello world, तो you will write print hello world. डाटा क्या है? हेलो वर्ड. इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या है? प्रिंट करना है. तो इन दिस वे दे हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू अबाउट इनपुट. Now see page number 3. The input unit is comprised of different input devices that take the input in different forms and pass them in digital form to CPU for processing. So when you give any instructions, whether it is in the form of text, voice, any digital form, it goes through input device and convert it into the output with the help of CPU. So some common input devices are keyboard, which help us to type, mouse, which help us to point and click, and microphone, which help us to put our voice. Suppose अगर आपको कुछ बोलना है तो उसके लिए आप किसका यूज़ करोगे? माइक का. okay, and mic converts your sound into the binary code, and for this we need a